Hello everyone. My hands. It's kind of blurry, but yeah. So this video is from fireworks that you guys want to watch. And this is a new video, so I can like do some awesome videos for my rest of life. But unfortunately, I will make videos from my stuff and oh, here comes the fireworks. Sorry, interrupting. Sorry.
Did I miss it?
Awesome fireworks. You can probably hear my family. Awesome colors with the fireworks. Here's another one.
You should have heard it at the carnival in Iceland. They were so bright and big. Like bigger than these ones. Right?
Wow. Yeah, I know it's loud, but I hope you guys hear me right now. Alright, well, that was a fun fireworks. Sorry if I am liking the stuff. Alright, well, you guys doing the video, but I'm sorry, it's a short one. And I had to do the short video because I'm having my family here, so yeah. Hope you like and subscribe, everybody. And I promise I'll make a lot of videos, but I will sometimes. I'm sorry I'm talking very, very quiet. And also, happy 4th of July. You will see my hands. My hands are beautiful. I paint them. Here's fireworks over here. Alright, see you guys.